Are you ready to unlock the full potential of your online presence? In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of search engine optimization, or SEO, and learn how to master it from one of India's leading digital coaches. This content is for anyone looking to boost their website's visibility, attract more organic traffic, and ultimately grow their business online. By the end, you'll have a clear understanding of the essential SEO strategies and practical tips to implement them effectively. We are incredibly fortunate to have Sunil Chaudhary, the esteemed founder of Just Bazaar and Career Building School, guide us through this journey. Sunil is not just an expert. He's been at the forefront of the digital revolution in India. Sunil Chaudhary is the visionary behind Just Bazaar, a platform dedicated to empowering businesses, and Career Building School, focused on nurturing digital talent. His dual roles highlight his commitment to both practical application and education in the digital sphere. Since 2014, Sunil has been recognized as India's leading digital coach. His insights and methodologies have transformed countless businesses and careers, making him a trusted authority in the digital marketing landscape. Now that we've introduced our expert, let's lay the groundwork for understanding what SEO truly is and why it's absolutely crucial for anyone with an online presence. SEO, or search engine optimization, is the practice of increasing the quantity and quality of traffic to your website through organic search engine results. Why is it important? Because when people search for products or services online, you want to be at the top of their results. It's about visibility, credibility, and ultimately conversions. A strong SEO strategy isn't just one thing. It's a combination of several key components working in harmony. We'll explore on-page, off-page, and technical SEO, each playing a vital role in your ranking. On-page SEO refers to all the optimizations you can make directly on your website to improve its search engine ranking. This includes everything from your website's content to its HTML source code. Keyword research is the foundation. It's about understanding what terms your target audience is using to find information, products, or services. Once you know those keywords, you strategically integrate them into your content to signal relevance to search engines. But remember, it's about quality over quantity. High-quality, relevant content is king in SEO. It's not just about stuffing keywords. It's about providing real value to your audience. A well-structured content plan, including headings, paragraphs, and calls to action, enhances user experience and search engine crawlability. Technical SEO ensures your website is easy for search engine crawlers to access, crawl, and index. This includes optimizing site speed, ensuring mobile friendliness, and having a secure website, HTTPS. A fast, responsive, and secure site is crucial for both users and search engines. Beyond your website, off-page SEO focuses on actions taken outside of your own website to impact your rankings. This primarily involves building authority and credibility through external signals. Link building is paramount. When other reputable websites link to yours, it signals to search engines that your content is valuable and trustworthy. The quality and relevance of these backlinks are far more important than the sheer number. Social signals, like shares and mentions on social media, while not direct ranking factors, contribute to brand visibility and can indirectly lead to more organic traffic and natural backlinks. Brand mentions, even without a direct link, also tell search engines that your brand is relevant and discussed. You can't improve what you don't measure. Understanding how to track your SEO performance is vital to refining your strategy and ensuring your efforts are paying off. Utilizing tools like Google Analytics and Google Search Console is crucial for monitoring your SEO progress. These tools provide valuable data on traffic, keyword rankings, user behavior, and technical issues, allowing you to make data-driven decisions. The digital landscape is constantly evolving, and so are search engine algorithms. Staying updated with the latest trends and algorithm changes is essential to maintain your rankings. Continuous learning and adaptation are key to long-term SEO success. We've covered a lot today, from the fundamentals of SEO to advanced strategies and how to measure your success. Remember, SEO is a marathon, not a sprint. But with consistent effort and the right knowledge, you can achieve remarkable results. Thank you for joining us on this deep dive into SEO. We hope you feel empowered to enhance your online presence. Now, we invite you to ask any questions you might have. And for more in-depth learning, be sure to explore Sunil Chaudhary's resources at Just Bazaar and Career Building School. Your digital journey starts now.